Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv, where today we're looking at the Foho Vacuum Stand Storage Docking Station, designed for Dyson cordless vacuum cleaners, including models from the V7 all the way up to the V15 series. If you've ever struggled with organizing your vacuum attachments or finding a secure place for your Dyson between cleanings, this could be the solution you didn't know you needed. We'll take a deep dive into how this stand performs in real-world use, how easy it is to set up, and whether it's a worthwhile investment for Dyson owners. At first glance, the Foho Vacuum Stand offers a straightforward solution to the common issue of cluttered storage. It's specially designed to fit Dyson's entire line of cordless vacuum cleaners from the V7 through to the V15 series, including their cleaner heads. While it doesn't come with a charging dock, this stand promises a secure and tidy place to store your vacuum and its attachments. The stand itself is made from a high-quality thermoplastic polymer, which is noted for its impressive strength, 5 times that of regular plastic. It's built to last, offering strong abrasion resistance, making it a solid addition to your cleaning arsenal. One of the key features of the Foho stand is its well-designed base. The stand is equipped with 4 suction pads, ensuring it stays firmly in place without tipping over, even when fully loaded with your vacuum and attachments. The uprights are made from aluminum, which significantly boosts the stand's overall durability and load capacity. The stand can hold up to 15 kilograms, making it sturdy enough for not just the vacuum itself, but all the necessary attachments too. If you've ever had to balance your vacuum on a flimsy stand, or lean it against the wall, this feature alone will be a welcome upgrade. Assembly is quick and painless. The Foho stand comes with all the necessary tools and instructions, so you won't need to go hunting for a screwdriver. Once put together, it provides multiple slots to accommodate various Dyson attachments, whether it's your crevice tool, upholstery brush, or motorized heads. The clever design allows you to organize your accessories neatly, which means no more digging around in a drawer or cupboard to find the right tool. It even features a cable hole, allowing you to thread your charging cable through when the vacuum is not in use, giving it a tidy, organized look. In terms of real-world use, this stand shines in a few areas. First off, it keeps everything neat and easily accessible, which is ideal if you're using your Dyson frequently and need a dedicated space to store it. It helps eliminate the mess of scattered attachments, preventing them from getting lost or damaged. The stability of the stand, thanks to the suction pads, is noticeable when handling the vacuum. There's no worry about it tipping over, even when adding multiple accessories. That said, while the Foho Vacuum Stand does its job well, there are some minor drawbacks to consider. For one, it's not a charging station. That means you'll still need to find an outlet for your Dyson charging dock, as this stand doesn't provide that feature. For those looking for an all-in-one solution, this may be a downside. Additionally, while the aluminum uprights are durable, the stand is a bit bulky, so you'll need to ensure you have the space for it in your cleaning area. When compared to similar products in the market, the Foho stand offers great value for its price, especially considering the quality materials used. You might find alternatives that come with built-in charging docks, but they tend to be more expensive and less versatile in terms of storage. The Foho stand focuses on being a solid, no-frills option for those who already have a separate charging solution and just need a better way to organize their vacuum and accessories. When it comes to maintenance and long-term use, the Foho stand seems to be built to last. The thermoplastic polymer used in the base is highly resistant to wear and tear, while the aluminum uprights should hold up well over time. The stand's design makes it easy to keep clean and maintain, with no complicated parts to worry about. You'll find that clearing space for it and keeping it organized is just as easy as it was to set up. So, does the Foho Vacuum Stand offer good value for money? Considering the materials, the organizational capabilities, and the fact that it supports several Dyson models, it stands out as a solid purchase for anyone looking to reduce clutter while keeping their Dyson accessories neatly organized. If you're someone who doesn't mind having a separate charging station, this stand is an excellent addition to your cleaning setup. In comparison to other stands, there are alternatives that offer additional features, such as built-in charging docks or more compact designs. However, those options often come at a higher price or don't offer the same level of attachment storage. If you're primarily looking for a sturdy, spacious storage solution for your Dyson and its accessories, the Foho stand is hard to beat at its price point. As for customer support, the Foho brand prides itself on providing excellent after-sales service, so you can expect a responsive and helpful team should you encounter any issues. Their commitment to quality control during production and their ongoing support should give you peace of mind in terms of longevity. In conclusion, if you're a Dyson owner who needs a better way to store your vacuum and its accessories, the Foho Vacuum Stand docking station is a reliable and well-built option. It's not the flashiest product on the market, but it does its job effectively, with durable materials and a thoughtful design that keeps everything organized and easily accessible. Whether you have a V7, V8, or the latest V15, this stand will keep your cleaning space tidy without breaking the bank. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out the link to this product in the comments box below. If you have any questions or thoughts about the stand, feel free to leave them in the comments. And we'll see you next time. Stay clean and keep your space organized. Goodbye till next time.